Just place this in your house for 1 hour, and cockroaches will disappear without a trace. Hi there, this is Tracy. Is there anyone here who's feeling frustrated because cockroaches are running wild in the house? I've tried spraying all kinds of insecticides and setting traps everywhere, yet these roaches still keep showing up in the kitchen and bathroom as if nothing ever happened. I truly understand that feeling. It's irritating, it makes you feel helpless, and it's even more worrying when you think about your family's health. Method 1. Repel cockroaches using bay leaf extract and cloves. If you're looking for a natural way to repel insects that is non-toxic but still effective, then the mixture made from bay leaves and cloves is an ideal choice. Both of these ingredients have a strong scent and powerful essential oils that cockroaches absolutely hate. First, you just need to prepare 1 cup of water, about 350 milliliters, and pour it into a pot placed on the stove. Next, prepare about 10 bay leaves and 10 whole cloves. Put everything into the pot and boil it over low heat for about 10 minutes. Where are you watching from in the world? And how's your day going? Let's explore some simple tips that can truly make your life easier. After boiling for 10 minutes on the stove, the essential oils from the leaves and the cloves will be released into the water. When you notice that the water has changed color and is giving off a distinct fragrance, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. After that, strain out the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. You can spray this mixture in areas where insects tend to show up, such as the kitchen, pantry, bathroom, corners of walls, doorways, or floor crevices. The scent from bay leaves and cloves may be pleasant to us, but it's extremely unpleasant for insects. It makes them pack up and move out. In addition to repelling mosquitoes, cockroaches, and flies, this mixture also helps eliminate musty odors in your living space, creating a clean and refreshing feeling. Method 2. Get rid of cockroaches using a mixture of baking soda and sugar, ingredients that every household has, but many people never think could actually kill cockroaches. The method is very simple. You just need to prepare a foam plate, which can be cut from a food storage container, then add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and mix them well. Did you know? Baking soda can create a strong chemical reaction inside the cockroach's body. Meanwhile, white sugar has a sweet smell and taste that is very appealing, which tricks the cockroaches into eating the mixture without any suspicion. After mixing, you can divide it into small plates or place it directly in areas where cockroaches frequently appear, such as under the fridge, behind the sink, bathroom corners, floor cracks, or damp kitchen corners. When cockroaches eat this mixture, the baking soda reacts with the acid in their stomach, producing gas and causing their abdomen to burst from the inside out. A very effective way to eliminate them without needing to spray chemicals or use sticky traps. What's special is that this method has no smell, is non-toxic, safe for small children and pets, and is also environmentally friendly. You should spread the mixture in multiple areas at once to expand the cockroach killing range, helping your living space stay clean and free of those nasty cockroaches. Method 3. Trap cockroaches using banana peels, honey, sugar, and laundry detergent. First, prepare a piece of foam tray or cardboard. Choose a type that's easy to cut and easy to place into hidden corners. Then, prepare a bit of honey and spread it evenly over the surface of the tray. This layer of honey not only creates stickiness, but also gives off a sweet scent that attracts cockroaches to come close. Next, take the banana peels you've just eaten and cut them into small pieces that are finely chopped to a moderate size, not too large. Banana peels contain a lot of potassium and fiber, which are great for plants if composted as fertilizer. Instead of throwing them away, you can repurpose them for growing vegetables or making an extremely effective cockroach trap. After cutting the banana peels, spread them evenly over the honey layer. Banana is an ideal bait thanks to its natural aroma. Cockroaches are especially attracted to this smell. Then, sprinkle a bit of white sugar all over the surface, creating an irresistible, sweet feast for any cockroach. And finally, sprinkle a thin layer of laundry detergent over everything. It may sound simple, but this is the deadly part. Then stir everything well to make sure the ingredients are fully blended together. When cockroaches eat this mixture, the surfactants in the laundry detergent will destroy their waxy protective coating and simultaneously attack their digestive system, causing them to slowly die after consuming it. Now place the trap in areas where cockroaches are usually found, such as inside drawers, under cabinets, shoe racks, wardrobes, and so on. After just one night, you'll clearly see the results. Cockroaches will be drawn into the trap and unable to escape. This is a non-toxic, chemical-free method of eliminating cockroaches, making it especially safe for households with small children or pets. Method 4. Use instant noodle water and dish soap. If you've ever eaten instant noodles and disliked the lingering odor or grease in the kitchen, this tip not only helps clean it up, but also turns that leftover noodle water into an extremely effective cockroach trap. After finishing your noodles, pour the leftover broth into a small bowl, then add a little dish soap and stir well. The aroma of the noodles becomes the perfect bait, drawing cockroaches in. When they drink or lick this mixture, the detergent in the dish soap affects their digestive system, creating toxicity and causing them to die slowly after consuming it. Place this cockroach trap bowl in areas where cockroaches often appear, such as near the trash can, under the kitchen sink, next to the kitchen cabinets, or in places where food crumbs are scattered. After about 2 to 3 days, you should check the mixture again. If you notice it has evaporated, become dirty, or dried out, replace it with a fresh one to maintain long-term effectiveness. Try this method right away because it's extremely cost-effective and lets you make use of things that would otherwise be thrown away, and it's much safer than sprays or chemical traps. Even though these cockroach killing methods use natural ingredients, you should still place the traps in hidden spots, out of reach of children and pets, to ensure absolute safety for the whole family. Additionally, remember to check the traps regularly every 2 to 3 days. If you see that the bait has been eaten up, dried out, or shows signs of spoilage, replace it immediately to keep the cockroach killing and repelling effect continuous. Ever since my household started using these tricks, I haven't seen a single cockroach show up again. That proves these methods really work to drive them away. Make sure to save them right away and give them a try. If you're feeling frustrated dealing with cockroaches invading your space, try one of these methods today. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which method worked best for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Tracy Tips so you don't miss any super easy pest control tricks that anyone can do. Thank you so much for watching.